wanted to create something which is unique, differentiated, best of the best in this current ecosystem. It must have the flexibility, it must have the structure to make sure that we deliver the best platform for exchange of not only ideas, businesses, provide a group of like-minded individuals who are completely there, have been there, done that, have the sense of abundance, to have a sense towards society, to have their aim to grow their business, and that too based out of absolute trust.
The main philosophy of business exchange is purely based on trust. In any relation or association, trust is of paramount importance. GBN provides such platform purely based on trust to the entrepreneurs and business owners. The array of like-minded individuals with the motto to help each other builds the trust over the association. GBN believes that trust is the most important factor to success in the longer vision of all the members.
In a current business context, it is said that network is a net worth. More connects you have with like-minded business owners, better you can steer yourself in this competitive business world. This is where GBN plays its role by providing such an ecosystem for business exchanges and broadening the horizons in their specific field, and hence encashing the power of network.
In addition to the focus on business exchange based on trust, there is an element of bonding, working together and celebrating together, being happy and having fun. This definitely brings an element of relaxation and relief in the lives of the entrepreneurs and individuals to help them rejuvenate their energies, to help them more successfully in their own business organizations. We definitely look forward to have you access to this unique element of GBN and experience it yourself.
The focus on business exchange is based on trust. In the current challenging situation of pandemic, every business owner and institutional member needs immense amount of drive and focus to keep one on the top of the business areas to ensure business continuity. GBN has a unique framework to nurture an element of trust, which is natural backbone of any business exchanges that could happen with the confidence.
Here I just want to add one more unique feature of GBN, and that is corporate membership, where people come from different fields of a corporate and they share their immense sets of ideas, which certainly needs a task force framework to convert that concept into reality. Certainly, this unique feature of GBN differentiates it from other business network platforms.
We are so excited about this GBN as being a future platform for business exchange not only in India but across the globe.
We are sure that
With your blessings and support,
We can take GBN to not only to Indian businesses,
but also to international enterprises.
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.
thank you.
thank you.
Thank you so much.